In the software development field, there has long been a debate about which of Vue.js and React.js is better. Both frameworks have their strengths, and it all depends on the specific needs of the project. Vue.js is an excellent choice for smaller projects, while React.js is better suited for larger projects. Ultimately, it's up to the development team to decide which framework is best for the project. React.js is a leading JS framework on the market, while Vue.js is second after React.js. Both are excellent in performance, as they have similar virtual DOM architectures. While React.js has more templates, a better ecosystem, and tools, Vue offers scaling projects and faster performance rates. So, Vue is frequently chosen by teams working on smaller projects where speed is crucial. In contrast, React works better on more complicated web platforms. React and Vue have a huge community of developers and support open source frameworks and libraries. They can also be used together, with Vue.js providing faster performance for smaller projects and React providing a larger ecosystem for more complex web apps. Both have benefits and drawbacks when it comes to hiring developers. React is more popular than Vue, so hiring is done quickly, but Vue is easier to learn. React and Vue are potent frameworks, and the best choice for any project depends on the size and complexity of the application. Both frameworks are constantly being updated and improved, making them excellent choices for modern web development. If you are having trouble deciding which framework to choose, UHero can help. For more information, email us at info@uheroglobal.com or visit us at uheroglobal.com.